All right, welcome back. Let's talk about some special cases. Now, with these special cases here, I have these both set up for substitution because you'll see both of them we have a y equals, right, some expression. And so we're going to be doing substitution on each of these, but just recognize this could happen in elimination as well. So with each of these, we want to solve the system of equations. And so this one, I've got y equals 5x plus 3. So I'm going to take the 5x plus 3, I'm going to plug it in for y. And let's see what we get. We'd have 5x minus 5x plus 3 equals negative 7. Now notice we have a minus in front of the parentheses here, so that's like it's a negative 1 that we have to distribute. And so we'd have 5x minus 5x minus 3 equals negative 7. And then what I want you to notice is at the beginning here, 5x minus 5x, those are going to cancel each other out. And so what we're going to be left with is just negative 3 equals negative 7. This is a special case. Special cases occur, remember, when all the variables disappear. So all the x's and all the y's, they're gone. And I just have negative 3 equals negative 7. Now, when you get this case, what you need to do is you need to stop and look at this and ask yourself, is this true? Does negative 3 equal negative 7? Well, I think pretty clearly not, right? Negative 3 and negative 7 are different numbers. They are not equal to each other. And so if that's the case where you get something that's not equal, you want to say there are no solutions. Okay? Just like that. On the second case, we're going to kind of do the same thing, but you'll notice that we'll actually get a true statement there, and so we'll have a different answer. So the second case, we have y equals x plus 5. We'll take that, plug it in for the y, and so we'll have 2x minus 2 times x plus 5 equals negative 10. I need to take that negative 2, I need to distribute it. And so what are we going to have? We are going to have 2x minus 2x minus 10 equals negative 10. And then again, notice our x's are going to cancel out here. We have 2x minus 2x. Those cancel each other out. We've got negative 10 equals negative 10. And so again, all our variables disappeared. All the x's and all the y's, they're gone. And we just have negative 10 equals negative 10. And again, we want to stop and ask, is that true? Does negative 10 equal negative 10? Well, yes, obviously, right? They are the same number. And so in that case, where you get a true statement, you are going to say that there are infinitely, and I'm just going to abbreviate it, infinitely many solutions. All right. And so you're going to see cases like this, some with no solutions, some with infinitely many solutions. But remember, this only occurs when the x's and y's are just gone, when you end up with something like this, where it's just a number equals a number. If they're different numbers, there's no solution. If they're the same number, there are infinitely many solutions. All right? So that's the lesson. You are going to have to do some substitution. Remember, that's when we have a y equals. We just take whatever y equals, we plug it in and solve. And you're going to have to do some elimination. That's where you have two equations that are all kind of lined up like this. We have the x's together, the y's together, the numbers together, and you are adding the equations together. You may have to do some multiplying to make it so that when you add them, either the x's or the y's cancel out. All right? If you have any questions, let me know. This is the last lesson for the week, so you want to be getting ready for the test. Remember, test is on Friday. We've got to make sure we're ready for that and that we'll do a good job. Please let me know if you have any questions, and we'll make sure we're ready to go. Let's make sure we have another really good test.